Hi, welcome back to the Could Try Harder channel. Yes, again, it's been too long. Apologies for that. Not giving up YouTube though, unlike seemingly everybody else on YouTube. Just doing it for fun anyway. So, like, comment, subscribe if you wish, or don't, it's up to you. Anyway, in the meantime, we've been busy on the Mark 1 Golf. And so, what does that mean? Well, I think last time you saw us, the engine was locked solid. We were like, what on earth is going on with this? I pulled it apart again. Turns out that the pressure plate wasn't flat and it was misaligned, so completely my fault. And I've now rectified that. Everything's back together and the engine is back in place. So without further ado, let's give you a look at the Mark 1 Golf. So here she is. Resplendent, looking good. Interior is all back in, dashboard's all back in, and let's pop the bonnet up for you. And the engine, the gearbox, all back in. So question is, will it run? Let's have a look. Here we go, turn the key. Is it out of gear before we... Oh, yes it will, if I pull the choke out maybe. There you go. Little bit tappety, hasn't run for a bit. But nonetheless, it runs. Lots of stuff's happened in the meantime. Let me turn that off so you can hear what I'm saying. And so I don't gas myself in the garage. Lots of stuff's happened in the meantime. Fuel pump. We thought that had gone. Fit an electric one. That won't be a problem any longer. Obviously, as you know, we got a new carb, new fan shroud, new radiator, new water pump, lots and lots and lots of new parts. So that's all good, and we are almost ready for the MOT. But in the meantime, we have another job that I want to do, which is not required for the MOT, but nonetheless I want to do it anyway. And that is to recreate the parcel shelf. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Here's the old one. Boom! Look at that. What a quality piece of kit. Doesn't look too bad, you say. But if you look down here, it's all wibbly. It's all been, at some point it's been really, really wet. Okay, so we're off. So first job then, we've got a couple of bars on the back. We will need those on the new panel, and so we need to get them off. So basically they come through, they're on two tabs there, so I'm going to need a screwdriver and a pair of pliers, I think, to get those off. Screwdriver, pair of pliers. Screwdriver just to tease them up, and then we use the pliers to straighten them out, and that should allow them to go. It's literally falling apart here. That shouldn't cause us a problem for the pattern, I don't think. We're doing this and sharing it with everyone. Most comments pretty good. Most people appreciate what we're doing. You get the odd one or two people who don't. Not quite sure what they're looking for, but obviously not what we're doing, so never mind. Alright, so 2 bars off. One of those is seemingly bent. Who's done that? Can straighten that out. Anywho, what we'll do is we'll put those aside for now. We need to make a pattern from this onto the new board, ready to cut it out. Alright. Need a pencil. Pen will do. Right. Basically just going to draw around the old one. I'm going to fill in that gap there at some point. Well, it's hardly kept it flat, has it? So that's what it was for. Anyway, there you go. There's your template. Okay. Pretty good. Other way. Oh, they're much bigger. Not as thick as the original, but should be enough to hold some carpet up. Provide a little bit of sound isolation. One, that's the long end. Idiot. One, two, three. One, two. Put a bit of wood underneath it and whack them flat. And I'll take it some. to flip those over, didn't I? That way, that way. Okay, time for a test fit. Right, let's have a look. Okay, so it's in, slipped in, bit rattly, but it should be better once we put the carpet on the top. Alright, next job then. Let's get it out of the car and we'll get it covered in carpet. Spraying. Spray and pray, bro. Wait a sec. That's a good thing about contact spray adhesive. Get some time to reposition. Don't want to get glue all over it. Can get it off. Easy if you don't get it on in the first place. Okay. Obviously it's covered in sawdust because they're always covered in sawdust. Give the back, throw it in the car. That should be it. Parcel shelf's now in. These are the side pieces of carpet that are either side of the parcel shelf. Obviously they're grey as well, we want to turn those black. However, this carpet I bought is very, very thin, no structure to it. The original carpet, properly backed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the black carpet to the grey carpet to turn it black. And just essentially stick it to it, so the grey carpet provides the structure, the black carpet provides the colour. Right, so again, spray adhesive will do for that. Alright, here it is, time for the big reveal. What a nice black parcel shelf. Cool. There it is from outside. Looking pretty good. There we go. Copper accents on your badges. So that's another video wrapped up. If you have been, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, send to your friends or don't, up to you. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers!